Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. In this video, this is my hummingbird junk journal digital download on Etsy. And I just wanted to show you some of the great images. I just love this page. I love hummingbirds. And page number 2. Page number 3. I'll leave the sizes of the pages and whatnot in the description box below. Page number 4. I love this page as well. And one more. And then a back page. Then we have a big envelope. And another big envelope. A couple of journaling cards to go into the envelopes. And my double-ended envelope. And this is the backing, and just a couple of little embellishments and a couple of sayings. Tags and journaling cards. A couple postcards, a few more sentiments, and then just some embellishments. A few bookmarks, a couple small journaling cards, and a couple domino-sized tickets. Anyways, I'll leave a link below to the Etsy listing, and thank you for watching.